How are you, Ngi? Oh, why are you laughing?
No,
You're happy?
no, no.
Oh, your parrot is very noisy.
Yeah,
Ah! Ah! Sorry, Ngi. I'm sneezing. Your parrot, Ngi, is very noisy.
yeah. They very noisy.
Yeah. What did she eat? What did they eat, Ngi?
Like a seed, like a nut, like
And then?
uh, they eat food like hamster.
Ah, okay.
Teacher, can we have free talking?
Okay, what is... Oh, we will gonna have a topic. It's hard to have free talking, no topic. Okay, so we can have free talking, we can have, but we don't need to discuss some of the grammar. So only free talking about the topic, okay? Wait, I cannot open. What happened? What's the weather today in Vietnam?
Huh?
What's the weather in Vietnam today?
It's quite hot.
Hot?
Quite hot. Hot. Yeah, it's hot.
Here, you know what? It's raining a lot.
Oh,
The whole day it's raining. Wait me, huh? Okay, the whole day is raining. It's very sad. Okay, I feel so bad because the rain is so heavy. The traffic, there's a traffic jam and every now and then. Wait lang. Here, five ako. One coke and one hapang. Okay? Okay, so here we're talking about phone messages. Okay? Okay. Do you use phone always? I will ask you. Do you use phone always?
um, yeah. In every day in the evening.
Oh, how many hours?
Hours, like 1 or 2 hours.
Oh,
Um,
what
but
did you
in the
do?
morning,
What did you do
in
in
the
the phone?
in the morning, in the afternoon, I just watch TV.
Oh, what TV? What movie do you watch?
In the TV,
Yes.
what? What?
What TV? What movie do you watch in the TV?
Um, like My Hero Academia. In the
That's
morning,
your favorite movie. I
in
know it's your favorite movie.
in the morning and in the afternoon, I watch TV, and in the evening, I use phone. I like watch TikTok in the phone.
You love you're a TikTok girl.
TikTok girl.
You're a TikTok girl. You love TikTok. TikTok girl. TikTok girl. You love TikTok. Or you love TikTok a lot. Okay, so we have here the word confirm, estimate.
Teacher,
Yeah.
teacher,
Hmm.
we done this. Done. We done
Are we
this.
done with this?
Yeah, we done.
Phone messages? Oh, wait ha. This is 24. The questions were done. Okay, I will move another one. Yeah. Wait, Mingy ha. Okay, let us have review for Unit 25. This Unit 25 ni will compasses all the review. So you might be wondering the others are finished, but this is the review only. Okay? Tang, ta, tang, ta, 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 tang, ta, tang, tang. Do you know what, me? We already started our classes last Wednesday. It is
Start?
very, oh yeah, I told you about that. That is why teacher Anne cannot have the class with you in the
Start?
afternoon.
Start in the school?
Yeah, in the school, in my
Oh.
school. Yeah, July 31, we started our class. Okay, so that
in,
is
in my school is like in the September
mm-mm,
September 5.
September 5. Oh, it's quite far. Okay, ours is July 31. And then that's the reason why teacher Ann cannot have class with you at 3 p.m. because I have class with my high school students. So we will have class Monday, Tuesday, and Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 8 p.m., right?
Yeah.
8. Okay. Because teacher Ann was really busy. Okay, this one. Okay, we will be having a review. We will be having a review, okay? So vocabulary, these are the different review, ha? This is only review. Reservation, resident, book, confusion, feedback, check-in, check-out, pay the bill. Because we are talking here about hotel, place to stay. Oh, what is the most favorite hotel that you have stayed in? Oh, you tell me.
What?
What is the most favorite hotel that you stayed?
Mm, I stayed in
Huh?
um I will write in the chat box.
Yeah, write in the chat box.
Okay.
Okay. So what is that? Wine resort. Oh, where is it? Dana?
It's now.
Ho Chi Minh or
Hội An.
Hanoi?
Hội An.
Oh,
I think
is it far?
no. Yeah, far.
Okay, yeah, that's good. Oh, at least.
It's very big. Very.
Oh, really? It's very big? Okay. So, you have all of the things mentioned here is considered as what? Is considered as, okay, part of stay, part of the hotel. Okay, so we have here, look at this, reception desk. Do you know reception desk?
Yeah.
Okay, restaurant,
Mhm.
lobby bar,
Yeah. Corridor.
okay, corridor,
Corridor. Yeah.
sitting room,
Yeah.
okay, single room,
Yeah.
double room,
Mhm.
twin room,
Yeah.
triple room,
Yeah.
connecting room, and family room. We are talking here about hotel. When you stay the hotel, receptionist will ask you, "Hi, ma'am, how many bedroom do you want? Family room or double room?" When you are in the hotel, what room you will stay?
I will stay in my maybe single room and double room.
Okay. How about your dad? Your dad will stay with your dad and mom will stay together with you?
Maybe um
In Huayna Resort, where did you stay? Or how many days?
we have twin room like two bedroom.
Twin rooms, like 2 bedrooms?
Mhm.
Okay, that's good. And then, okay. Okay, so here we have our hobbies. Oh, these are the different hobby. Look here. What hobby do you like the most in here? Look at that. What hobby do you like the most in here?
I like go shopping
Oh, go shopping. You like going to shop. You like go shopping. Okay. Hobby. Okay. Why do you like go shopping, hobby?
because I can buy clothes and snack, fruit, vegetable, like that.
Oh, so you like it. Oh, that's great. Well, at least you like it. Okay. How about go swimming?
Go swimming. Um, First is go shopping and go swimming is second.
Okay, that's good. Flash dive. Close. Okay. Next, we have here, what is your favorite? Okay, favorite. Listen to music, gardening. Okay, this is another hobby. What hobby in here that you like the most?
Maybe travel,
Maybe it's
travel.
travel, of course. Everyone likes travel. Okay. Do you travel always or no?
Um,
Do you travel always or no?
um, Sometimes,
Okay. It is?
sometimes.
Sometimes you travel. Okay. So once a year you travel during that holiday. You like, right? That
In,
holiday you travel.
I always go to my hometown.
Hometown always. Okay, so here we are talking about house. Look at this one. So living room, bedroom, dining room, kitchen. What is the most favorite your most favorite favorite place in the house?
Bedroom.
Okay, it is bedroom. Okay, why do you like bedroom?
Because we can sleep.
Oh,
We can
because we
sleep
can
in
sleep.
that
Oh, wow. And then what else? You can sleep and
bedroom and garden.
okay, so bedroom with a garden because we can sleep if we are in the bedroom. Okay, because it's comfortable. Okay. Another is this one. Okay, you can find all of these things in your house. Okay, so everyone that's shown here can be found in the house. So, which word is the most favorite for you? This one among all of this.
Maybe wardrobe and armchair, sofa, like a chair.
Okay. Okay, so that's it. So armchair, it's like sofa, okay? Just like sofa, armchair. It's nice and comfortable. Okay. The age, look up the age. Young, old, middle age,
Yes,
his
in
20s, knee-high to grasshopper, over the hill, and all age.
what old age?
Okay, old age, middle age. Okay, this is about the age, ripe old age. So even though you're old, but still for them, you are right. Right old age. Okay? Next. The shape. Look at the shape. We have different shape. Belt, muscular. Okay. Fat, overweight, obese, stocky, stout, fit, and trail. Okay, so these are the different shape. Okay. But other people now really love the money. Okay. So we have here. Okay, so we have here the blonde. Okay, hair color blonde, dyed, ginger, straight, curly, bald, and with plaits. With plaits and with tail. Okay, ponytail. Okay. Okay. General description. So these are the so-called general description. This is the description that we can use generally. Okay, handsome. Oh, this is adjective. Manly, beautiful, stunning, attractive. They're all adjectives. So of course, when you describe someone, you will say, "Oh, me, I saw your teacher in math. She is beautiful." Okay, that is the short description that will make the teacher happy. Okay. Okay, this one. Okay, these are the example of prepositions. Oh, you know what this? Look. Wait.
Coca-Cola.
Uh,
Coca.
your Coca-Cola is like this in your country?
No, it's taller.
Ah, big one.
No,
Ah,
it's the bigger is bigger is like this.
yeah. We have like, do you have like this small one? There's a bigger one in here.
Oh,
Yeah. We have so many sizes in the, it is in the bottle or in the plastic?
the taller is the like that,
Uh-uh.
and the medium is like that,
Mm-mm.
and short like that. It's like
Oh, okay.
yeah, it's like the bottle like that.
How much here? How much?
I don't know. I think it's $15,000 or maybe
Ah.
10.
Okay, so this need, we call it prepositions. Okay, very easy to understand. Okay, let us, okay, look at this. Do you like to keep pets in your home?
Yeah, I yes like
Always. Okay.
that.
Do you have a dog before?
No, I have hamster before.
Yeah, yeah, you told me about the hamster.
I have a hamster and then they died.
Yeah, hamster is easily die. We also have hamster here too.
But they very cute.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, no, no, we don't have a hamster. It's rabbit.
Oh,
Hmm. I'm eating this name.
what's that? What's that?
X here.
What's called?
Mm.
Lasagna?
Mm. It's lasagna.
Oh,
Now you can find it in the Google. Now you can try. It's very yummy. Okay, so you love pets a lot. Okay, can you see this one? Ni? It's very nice, right? So sweet. It's the cat and the dog. So sweet, Ni. Now, do you look like more like your mother or your father, Ni?
hmm?
Do you like? Do you look more like your mother or your father?
I look like more my father and my aunt.
Oh, really? Why?
Mm, I don't know. My mom said you look more like your dad and your aunt.
Oh, who's the aunt? Aunt, sister of your dad?
Yeah, no. Yeah, sister of my dad.
How about your brother? I can see it. I talked to your dad once, and you really looks like your dad. Okay. How about your mom? How about your brother? Your brother looks like your mom?
Yeah.
Wow. Oh,
Um my mom always say that my I look like my dad
mm,
and my brother look like my mom.
her. Yeah. Okay. By the way, where's Kent now? Kent is in college, university.
Yeah. In September, maybe Ken is going to university, like in Ho Chi Minh City.
Ooh, far.
Go to Ho Chi Minh City, yeah.
Ah, I know she's excited. He's excited. He will be staying there where?
Hmm?
He,
Huh?
he will be staying where?
Staying?
Oh, stay.
I
Live.
think he will stay. Um,
In the
maybe
boarding, in the dorm, in the apartment,
maybe in the hotel or maybe in the hotel or
apartment, maybe.
ma-
Or dorm for the student.
dormitory.
Dormitory for the student. Okay. Yes. Yeah. And she will be taking up what subject? What course?
Hmm?
What course you will be taking up? Like engineering or what? Kilian, wait ka.
Um,
What course you will be taking up?
business administration.
Ah, wow. And what's the name of the school?
Hmm?
What is the name?
Like the University of Ho Chi Minh City, UEH.
Ah,
Yeah,
you
no,
University
no, wait.
of
I will
Ho
write in
Chi
the
Minh
chat
City.
now.
This one?
U E which huh? Like that. University Education Ho Chi Minh City.
Ah, University of Education, Ho Chi Minh City. Oh, yeah, I understand now. Okay, so that's good. Oh, at least. Oh, so I know Ken will be very excited. Oh, oh, so soon you will be like Ken. You will be moving to Ho Chi Minh. Why he chooses Ho Chi Minh, not Hanoi?
Hmm?
Why? In Danang, there is no university in Danang?
No, it's have University of Da Nang. I know University of Da Nang. Um,
It's different from
and other and yeah, in Da Nang have many like the university for like uh teaches about how to be a teacher, how like how
yeah.
yeah like that.
Ah, okay. In Danang. In Danang.
Yeah.
But if business, it's in Ho Chi Minh.
Mm-hmm.
If it's about business, university about business, that's Ho Chi Minh.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I understand. Okay, I understand now. Okay. So how about you? What do you want to be in the future? Where will you study?
In the future,
Yeah, in the future. When you will be like Ken.
maybe I will study in Ho Chi Minh City, or maybe I will mm, like study abroad abroad
Okay, yeah, I
like
understand.
study abroad.
Abroad. Study abroad.
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh,
Eh,
I want to study abroad in when I was young. I was a child. I want to study abroad in New York City because
Oh,
that's the place I
that
very like,
place
and it's the
uh,
largest city.
nye, nye, nye. That place is the one I like very much. He do not say I like, I
Uh-huh.
very like. Okay. Tono also keep on saying, I very like. Okay, so why? Why do you like Ho
But
Chi Minh? I
but
mean,
I want to study abroad in maybe in Australia, in New Zealand, in maybe in Switzerland,
New Zealand?
Switzerland,
Ah, Switzerland.
Switzerland, and like in Europe, in France,
Okay.
like I want to study abroad. That's my dream. I can
Oh,
speak English. I want to that.
wow. Okay, you want to study
But
abroad in Europe. That's Europe.
afraid, but I'm afraid that my parents don't have enough money.
Because it's very expensive. But your dad is a
Yeah,
doctor. That would be okay.
hmm,
Yeah, your dad is a doctor. That would be okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Where is the most amazing place you have been in? Oh, look at this one. These are the three amazing places. Okay. Where is the most amazing place you have been?
Hmm?
Okay. So you can see in the picture, it's very nice. My God. Oh, you can see this one. It's a cable car. Ah, I guess, I don't know where is it. It's a very nice one. Okay.
I
So do
think
you want to
in the
travel?
one, maybe in the future one is maybe China, Korea, and Japan. Maybe
Okay.
Japan.
Okay.
Mhm.
So here, the most amazing place, there are so many, right? Japan, Korea, or because Philippines, because okay, we have different formations of our surroundings, okay, of our places. Look at this one, very nice. This one is very nice. Okay, how often do you go to the shopping mall, me, with your mom?
I often go like once a week, like
Okay, once a week.
sometimes,
Okay, once a week. You go. What did you shop?
but
Last month,
but
what did you shop?
I don't buy clothes. I just buy food.
Okay. How often do you go to shopping mall? Every day or what?
Sometimes.
Okay, this one. Oh, sorry. Can you tell me, Ngi, of the benefits of gardening?
Hmm?
Okay. Can you tell me the other benefits of gardening?
Um, benefits of gardening. I think plants the tree, water the flowers, water the trees like that.
Okay, but the gardening
Yeah,
benefit is
yeah.
so nice.
Yeah. Hmm?
Nice, right? It's really
Yes,
nice.
nice.
Okay. Do you eat vegetable, Nick? Do you eat
Hmm?
vegetables? Do you eat vegetable?
Yeah. Yes.
Wow, that's good. Okay, very good. Oh, okay. If you could choose one place to go this weekend, where would it be?
Oh, dragon. Dragon. Do you know dragon?
Okay. Okay, if
Dragon,
you could,
which is
which
Vietnam.
one? This one? Oh, this one is in Vietnam, right?
No, I think it's in in Vietnam, but I think it's in maybe in
Because look at the pictures.
yeah,
They're
maybe
wearing the
in the south of Vietnam.
uh this one, south of Vietnam.
Yeah, the
Oh, what
boat.
happened?
Oh,
There
in
is I guess that there is a storm. The
hmm?
wa- the water is not clear.
Hmm?
The water, look at the water, it's not clear.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, that's
And,
it.
and they sell the vegetable on the boat. I think it's in maybe in Cà Mau.
Okay. So you can see in the picture, I love this one also. This one, it's just like we have like this in my country, but it's not in my place. It's in other places. It is in Cebu City. So there we had the longest bridge. Okay, the longest bridge in the Philippines. Okay, right, Cebu City. Okay, so this one, okay, the water is not clear, but there's a lot of vendors. You can buy a lot. Okay, many, but I don't think some of them will going to some of them doesn't like to have that they don't have something to receive like salary. Okay, but look at them. They are selling something. As I can say, they are selling something. Okay, so what kind of movies do you like the best?
Mm, I like romance. Romance. Um, and
Okay,
horror.
romance. Why? Why do you like?
Animation. Like anime.
Okay, what kind of movies do you like? Animations. Okay,
And
Lord of the
animation
Rings.
and funny movies.
Ah, it's comedy. Funny is
Yeah,
comedy.
comedy.
Yes, comedy. Okay, what food do you often cook the most?
Hmm?
What
Um,
food do you cook the most often?
I often cook like I I fry the 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 egg, and I
Okay. Do you actually feel comfortable when living alone?
yeah.
Or do you like to live alone or do you like with someone else in your bedroom?
Maybe sometimes I want to live alone, and sometimes I want to live with my parents, because live alone can, maybe I can feel comfortable, relax, like that, relax,
Yeah, look at the dog. Look at the dog.
and I can like watch TV. But sometimes I want to live with my parents, because I'm afraid, like and I think that um in my home has ghosts. I afraid that.
Mm. Look at the dog. Look at the dog.
Yeah.
Okay, the dog is cute. Okay. Oh my God, Ngi. We don't have enough time. Okay. So, Ngi, I will add. I have to add 5 minutes before and 5 minutes now. Okay. I will see you on Monday, 8 p.m. again. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, 8 p.m. because teacher can have class with you. I didn't need to hurry fast. Okay? Thank you so much, Ngi, for today. God bless.
Bye.
Okay, enjoy tomorrow, and where will you go tomorrow?
I will go drink milk tea, like go to the coffee shop.
Wow, with whom?
Hmm?
With whom?
With my aunt, my uncle, my grandfather, my father, my mom, like that.
Okay, yeah, so many. So at least you will enjoy. Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Nhi, and I will see you on Monday. Please don't be absent. Okay, thank you. Good night, Nhi.